Big news on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. They just finished expanding their non-smoking casino, and it's big, brand new, and I'm taking you for an inside tour. Let's go. Before we dive into the tour, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Wonder of the Seas. This ship is part of Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class ships. It made its maiden voyage in March of 2022. It has 18 decks to it, 8 neighborhoods, and it is probably max capacity, almost 7,000 passengers, has over 2,300 crew members on board. Beautiful ship. I greatly enjoyed my time here. Here's a couple of pictures from my last cruise that I did last month, and I really enjoyed it. In June and July of this year, Royal Caribbean did a full expansion of their non-smoking casino. What they did is they closed out the Crown Lounge on deck 4 forward near the theater, and they moved that to an upper deck so that they could expand the non-smoking casino, and it is amazing. So what they have now is almost 100 new slot machines in there, plus 5 table games, and I'm going to take you for a full tour. So the main entrance is on 4 forward, on your way to the theater and by the ice skating rink. So when you first walk in, you're going to see that they have 5 table games. They have a $10 roulette, and then they have 2 blackjack tables and 2 Texas Hold'em. The minimums when I was there was between $15 and $25 tables. Then when you walk in the first section, you're going to see that they've really added quite a few machines. So you have a little bit of machines on when you first come in, and then the rest of it are going to be kind of in an L shape. They did have my favorite game, the Rising Rockets, which is a high volatility game, but I am a sucker for it. I love it. Then they have several of the popular Dragon Links. And as you go in, you'll see that this is all the expanded area. So this is where you're picking up a lot of the additional machines. And like I said before, there's about 100 machines total here. None of these are the old school ones. These are all newer machines. And I played pretty much every night in this area. The main casino is still not far away. It's in 4 mid ship, and it's much larger, but it is a smoking side. So I pretty much stayed over in this non-smoking area. So they do have a few of the video poker machines towards the back also. And they have like the new flaming pots. I haven't had much luck on that, but I always give it a try. So I definitely like the selection of the machines that they have brought in. My favorite obviously was these Magic Treasures. I did really well on those, at least the first night, before I started donating all my money back. Royal Caribbean is a great cruise line if you're a beginning cruiser wanting to play for comps, as you can earn an interior cabin for just 400 points as long as you participate in the next cruise program. So excellent for the entry-level player. I want to do a special shout out to my newest subscribers to my channel. I've only been doing this for 5 months, so I greatly appreciate all the support that I've gotten. Almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and help me hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So here's our newest subscribers. Now I have some videos from my time on Wonder of the Seas where I've done my casino challenges, and I'll be honest, it probably was not one of my more successful trips, but I still had a great time on the ship. Here are a few of the slot machine wins that I had while I was on board, most of them coming from my first day on the cruise. Second day, I could not hit anything to save my life on the slot machines, but day 1 was really good. So here's the wins. I'll take it. $50. Sweet. $113. Wow. Can do that again. Come on, go up here. $102. Like and subscribe to my new channel. Thanks.